And now with the last part of our exercise, we need to draw the spout of our teapot. So from here, we need to change the display style into hidden lines remove. We need to change the view orientation into normal to. And we can start the front plane in our sketch. Now from the front plane, draw center line, point P1, P2, and P3. So once you're complete, press the escape button on the keyboard. Then you have these two lines drawn. From here, put a smart dimension. Give the dimension to 40. This inclined line into 90. And the angle in between is 115. So once you complete, close the dialog box by selecting this green check mark. And you are now ready to draw the profile. So to draw the profile, select this line command here. From this point, point 1, so we can call it as Q2. Point number 2, Q2, Q3, Q4, and close. So select this green check mark to close the dialog box. Then again, go for smart dimension. This dimension will be 7. So according to the lab sheet, this is 7 millimeters. So once you are complete, select this green check mark to close the dialog box. Then go for features, revolve base. The axis of revolution is this center line. Select the center line. And in this case, remove this check mark on the merge result option. Remove this check mark. Then select this green mark for the confirmation. So to close the dialog box. And after that, we need to hide this teapot body and teapot hand so that we can put a hole here on our teapot spout using a lofted cut command. So how to do it? Select this Revolve 1 option on the Features Design tree. Select this eye icon to hide, as well as the Boss Extrude 1 for us to hide the handle. Select this to hide. And click anywhere on the drawing area. And rotate your object using the mouse wheel button. Now we will draw a sketch here on this surface. We call it surface number 1. So select it. Sketch. Then go for view orientation. Select normal to. Draw one circle from the center. Then click. Then type the radius here as 6. So once the radius is 6, our diameter is 12. Select this green check mark to close the dialog box and exit the sketch. Now again, rotate your body using the mouse wheel button for us to locate the surface number 2. Now surface number 2, it is the bottom of the spout. So select surface number 2. Then again, sketch. Select the sketch icon. Go for view orientation, normal 2. Now in this case, we need to draw again another circle. So circle from the center point with a diameter of 18. So the radius will be 9. So press enter. Select this green check mark to close the dialog box. So once you're complete, close the dialog box, go to Features command, and go for lofted cut. So let's just move it, rotate a little, lofted cut. Now, on the profiles, select the sketch. So this circle at the bottom is selected. Then again, select this profile. So you have two profiles selected. So once it is done, select this check mark to agree. Now, how we're going to know that this one is lofted cut. So let's check it again from here. On the display style, select shaded with edges. Now rotate this object using your mouse wheel button. So you can see there is a hole here. There is a hole. So once you are done, select this revolve one and show the teapot body. So as well as the handle. Go for boss extrude. Select this eye option, then show. Then go for view orientation, isometric. Select anywhere on the screen, click, and that's it. So it completes the lab number 2. So this exercise is drawing a teapot. So the first part, we draw the teapot body and the foot. The second part of the exercise is drawing the handle. And finally, we draw the spout of the teapot. And now for your assignment and exercise, there is one exercise for you at the end of this lab sheet, wherein you will draw the teapot lid. So what do you mean by teapot lid? So the teapot lid, it is the cover of the teapot. So just draw this profile. This is similar to lab number 1. So once you complete, save your file and submit.